is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun, only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Its surface is dotted with tens of thousands of impact craters. Introduction. Mercury experiences extreme temperatures. By day, temperatures can soar to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, due to its proximity to the Sun. At night, without an atmosphere to retain heat, temperatures can plummet to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 180 degrees Celsius. Despite being close to the Sun, Mercury isn't the hottest planet. That title goes to Venus with its dense atmosphere. Mercury is, however, the fastest planet, completing an orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Mercury is aptly named after the swiftest of the ancient Roman gods. Potential for life. Mercury's harsh environment, with its extreme temperatures and intense solar radiation, makes it unlikely to support life as we know it. Size and distance. With a radius of 1,516 miles, 2,440 kilometers, Mercury is a little over one-third the width of Earth. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Mercury would be comparable to a blueberry. Mercury is about 36 million miles, 58 million kilometers, from the Sun, or 0.4 astronomical units, AU. Sunlight takes 3.2 minutes to travel from the Sun to Mercury. Orbit and rotation. Mercury's eccentric, egg-shaped orbit brings it as close as 29 million miles, 47 million kilometers, and as far as 43 million miles, 70 million kilometers, from the Sun. It zips around the Sun every 88 days, traveling at nearly 29 miles, 47 kilometers, per second. Mercury rotates slowly, completing one rotation every 59 Earth days. A Mercury solar day, one full day-night cycle, lasts 176 Earth days. Its axis is tilted just 2 degrees, meaning it has no significant seasons. Moons and rings. Mercury has neither moons nor rings. Formation. Mercury formed about 4.5 billion years ago from swirling gas and dust. Like other terrestrial planets, it has a central core, a rocky mantle, and a solid crust. Structure. Mercury is the second densest planet after Earth, with a large metallic core making up about 85% of its radius. This core is partly molten. The outer shell, mantle, and crust is about 250 miles, 400 kilometers, thick. Surface. Mercury's surface resembles that of Earth's moon, marked by many impact craters. Craters and features are named after famous deceased artists, musicians, and authors. Large impact basins like Caloris and Rachmaninoff were created by early asteroid impacts. The surface features grayish-brown terrain, with bright crater rays formed by impacts. Temperatures. Mercury experiences extreme temperature variations. Daytime temperatures can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures can drop to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 180 degrees Celsius. Water ice may exist in permanently shadowed craters at the poles. Atmosphere. Mercury has a thin exosphere composed of atoms ejected from the surface by the solar wind and meteoroid impacts. This exosphere is made mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Magnetosphere. Mercury's magnetic field is offset relative to its equator and is only 1% as strong as Earth's. It interacts with the solar wind to create magnetic tornadoes that funnel hot plasma to the surface, ejecting neutral atoms into space.